Welcome back. Thanks for staying with us. You're watching Beyond World is One with me, Diksha Bisla. Let's start with the headlines. Suvendu Adhikari is set to take oath as the Chief Minister of West Bengal in a ceremony set to be attended by political heavyweights, including Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Adhikari will be the first BJP Chief Minister of the state after the party secured thumping victory in assembly elections. A US media report citing American intelligence assessments says Iran's new supreme leader, Mujtaba Khamenei, is playing a central role in shaping Tehran's war and negotiation strategy alongside senior Iranian officials. A senior advisor to Iran's supreme leader equates the country's strategic control over the Strait of Hormuz to having an atomic bomb. Reports say that Iran has established a formal authority to oversee transit and collect tolls through the strait. Ukraine's President Volodymyr Zelensky signs decree excluding Moscow's Red Square from target list during Russia's Victory Day parade. After a 3-day temporary truce is announced and Kremlin hits back, saying they don't need anyone's permission to hold the celebrations. Greece is investigating an armed unmanned surface vessel that washed ashore on an island of the country's western coast. The drone was found inside a coastal cave and has been moved to a naval base for inspection. Laura Fernandez takes office as president of Costa Rica, vows to wage a war on crime and promises sweeping reforms to the judiciary and existing security laws in the Central American nation. Prime Minister Narendra Modi pays tribute to Nobel laureate Rabindranath Tagore on his birth anniversary. Describes him as the timeless voice of India's civilizational soul. One dead after a massive fire breaks out at an AC service centre in Ghaziabad, causing extensive damage to property and vehicles. 8 fire tenders rushed to control flames as explosions created panic among residents living nearby. In Tamil Nadu, C. Joseph Vijay's TVK still short of numbers as potential allies. Muslim League and AMMK deny support. Vijay remains too short of majority after getting Congress and left support. China's exports rose 14.1% in April, beating forecasts despite global economic headwinds. Imports also surged while shipments to the US gained 11.3% ahead of upcoming talks with Washington.